Oh yes. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be doing a gaming test on the Realme 3 Pro. This beautiful, gorgeous smartphone, and the new Call of Duty game, the Call of Duty mobile, has just landed. So I'm going to do some Asphalt 9 and then jump straight into the Call of Duty game and see how that performs on the Realme 3 Pro. Let's get started. First, testing out Asphalt 9 with the Bluetooth controller. Here it goes. So it's looking smooth so far, isn't it? Graphics are great. Whoa. Get out the way. Come on. No. No. You. Come on. Out the way, out the way, out the way, out the way. Get over here, up the ramp, up the ramp. Oh my god. Okay, let's try again. Put this Snapdragon CPU to the test. Get rid of these coppers. Get out the way. Get the NOS. Ah, yeah. Right, boom. Move. You. Get out of the way. Come on. Come on, come on. This is so difficult. Ha. Let's get the ramp out of there. Boom. Go. This is better. Gameplay is excellent, guys. I haven't seen any sort of stuttering or anything like that at the moment. It's all looking good. Come on. Finish. What's it doing? Oh. Whee. There we go. So that was pretty good, guys. I think you'd admit. The new Mario Kart game is also launched, but let's go straight into Call of Duty now. That looks so crisp on there. Looks very sort of similar to what the PUBG main screen looks like. I've got my Geeky Stuff account in there set up, level 3. So I've had a little bit of gaming earlier on the Pixel 3 XL. It performs really well. Let's go to settings and audio and graphics. I have it in simple mode because I'm not that good. It's really, really easy. Audio and graphics. It's set to high and max frame rate. I'm going to put it up to very high. Okay, and the frame rates come down to very high as well. That's fine. Let's jump in. Looks great on the screen. So it's very high quality graphics and very high frame rate. Let's go. So we have that red is invincible. And look at this. Call of Duty on a mobile device. Beautiful. Right, let's go. Look at that automatic shooting. It's easy. Piss easy. Quick, get down. Reloading. Yes. God, I ain't got much ammo. Where are they? Bang. I love easy games. I will try it on harder shooting settings though at some point. Not yet though. You still have to get the crosshair onto the actual on the opponent though. So. Come on. Oh yes, score streak. So you hit that and you get the UAV map thing, is it? Yeah, so you see where all the enemies are. Come on, I've got them in the head. They must be as crap as me then, mustn't they? Ah, there we go. First death. It's alright. Tap twice to skip. Invincible for a few seconds. Come on. I've got you, come on. Yes. Got him. So controls are really, really easy. You're not fumbling around on the display for anything like that. Obviously that's down to the game itself, not to the phone. Ah, shot from behind. There we go. Yes. Let's recover for a moment. Couple of enemies up there. Oh, there's loads. Come on, yes. Yes, score streak. UAV. Perfect. In fact, there's some people behind me right here. Kill a drone? Oh shit, yeah. Come on, mate, get me some kills. Go on. No! God, I nearly had another score streak. Cool, low ammo. Got a sniper rifle, have I? Oh, yes. Sniper. Ha. Cool. Guaranteed if this is on the PlayStation, I would not have got this many kills. Oh, wow. UAV. Kill a drone. Go and get me some kills. Come on, some enemies around there. Come on, they're coming round. Come on. Ah! Target down. Got you, mate. Stop hiding. It must be Terminator or Robocop or something. There we go. Sweet as a nut. UAV. No! Just before I release that. Ah, oh, bugger. Defeated. 50-44. What would win that? Final kill cam. That was him shooting me and all, so it's my fault. It's my bad. My bad. My bad. Level up. Wow, jumped all the way up to level 5. Kills. Oh, 22 kills, lot. At the top. I suppose that's what you get when you have it on easy aim mode. I'm going to exit for now. So that was a gaming test on the Realme 3 Pro. Asphalt 9 was absolutely fine. And as you could see then, Call of Duty Mobile, an absolute breeze. Very high settings, very high frame rate, and it absolutely smashed it. Loved the game as well. So any questions, guys, please comment below. This is the Realme 3 Pro gaming test. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.